Hi everyone, and welcome back to another edition of the Velvet Lounge Life. And yes, this is what we woke up to this morning. Snow, about 4 inches of it, and it doesn't show any signs of stopping anytime soon. Big, fluffy, yummy snow puffs, aka snowflakes. So, you know that we have some projects that we were doing outside, and thankfully we got to a point where it was good to stop. There's, ooh, I don't know if you can see that clearly, the flaming bush. There it is. I think there was condensation on the lens. One of my favorite bushes, so you could see even the bushes had not lost their leaves yet. However, we did get to an amazing stopping place with one of our projects, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so I kind of voted myself out of completely going outside because it is cold as anything out here, but you can see we ripped out everything here pretty much. The plants that you see will remain, but yes, there's a big bundle of sticks that we still have to deal with. And no, that is not a grave for one of our pets. It's our well. Thankfully, a lot of our trees became bare naked ladies. But as you saw, even here, like these blueberry bushes still have an abundance of leaves on them, as well as that forested area across the street and our forest in the backyard. So there's still plenty of leaves everywhere, but it was pretty cool to wake up to this. It reminds me of Christmas, actually, and I'm not hating that at all. Something that always brings a smile to my face is my charm string display table with, yes, complete with dancing nymphs. Okay, yes, there you go. Let's dance. Let's twirl. But here they are. And a couple, I have items I need to add, like this Buddha needs to be added to that one, and this elephant to this one. This one is in dedication of my mother. This one, my grandmother. And my grandmother, she had a huge Buddha in her home. I don't know why, because she wasn't a Buddhist, but it was awesome, gorgeous, brought her much joy. I'm sure my aunt has probably disposed of it in one way or another or something. And my mother was a lover of elephants, just like I am. And she always wanted them with trunk up. And guess what? Trunk is up. This one is mine. Yes, I was a juror many, many times in several court cases. This one is my daughter's. Happy birthday, daughter, sweet, beautiful angel, wonderment, walking the earth. She was a semi-pro figure skater, so there's some skates on there. And she is in law school, so notice how that kind of ties in. And this is my husband. Yes, very military, as you can see. And did you see the football on that one? Don't know if you saw that, but hey, whatever. But yeah, and oh, look at that one. That is the Waterbury Button Company charm string. And this one is in dedication of my sister-in-laws. And that one is continuing to grow, which is really nice. But today the plan is as follows. Create button videos, and those button videos will be about a specific button category. And those videos will only be I would say between 10 and 15 minutes long. I know, right? We'll see how that works. And also, I'm going to create an eBay video, because eBayers, you better be in your Q4 mode and really pumping out those listings, because eBay made a profit of, I believe, $3 billion over the last month or two or something like that. Don't quote me on that. I quickly glanced over a bunch of article titles and did not dive straight forward into them, and I saw something like that listed. So, but for some reason their stock has gone down. I don't know why. That's weird. But anyway, yeah, we'll be talking about that more in a video. And remember, yes, I still need buttons for the Worldwide Tribute Charm String Button Project for 2020, which is a unity project, bringing all of us together and showing that something as tiny as a button or a broken piece of jewelry that I could string along can bring, or keys, like there's a lot of things you can send in, can bring all of us together and unite us, even during these horrific times over the last few years. Look at my giant fish button. Remember when I went to New York, the garment district, and I got that. And also, just remember that your health is your wealth. And without your health, you have absolutely nothing. So please take care of yourselves and enjoy your day.